Here's the 959. It is Sunday, June 14th, 2026. I'm in what's known as the 1932 rink in Lake Placid, New York, attending the 2026 Porsche Club of America parade. My car is one of about 4 dozen that it was allowed to be in the ice rink Friday night into Monday morning, so we could prepare the cars indoor and not have to worry about the weather. So what I'm about to do is take you through a tour of some of the stunning cars. I wanted to show you what we've got as I walk around. Here's the 959. That's the owner working on the car, the helper, and his wife. Great couple. And this is all the luggage that goes with it, or came with the car originally, and they're working on it. Beautiful Targa, and the early Targas, this is called a soft window Targa.
Yeah.
Beautiful car. What year?
Oh, 06.
The same as ours. Ours does not look this good. Our Boxster's over there, but that's our Boxster over there. And then we've got an 06 titanium edition, but
Oh, nice.
I've got 215,000 on it. So yeah, we have a long way to go. We saw the 997. Of course, we saw the 996. There's our buddy Kevin, still going at it. This is another member of NNJR who, this is Tony's C2. It's a stunning car. Stunning color. I want to say this is Aventine green or something like that. You can correct me in the comments. Beautiful color. And unfortunately, his 928 had an air conditioning issue. So with the weather up here, he made the difficult choice to drive this one instead. So life is good in Tony's world. But a very knowledgeable guy, and I called him when we had trouble with our car and bailed me out. This is a 996 cab. This is a beautiful 993. And that is quite the amplifier in there. Love the color, but I'm a little biased because our Boxster is the same color over there.
It's seen it blend.
Yeah.
It's not a common color.
No. It's one of the few colors besides Guards Red and that crossed over from air-cooled to water-cooled.
Oh, yeah. I was going to say, because yours was water.
Yeah.
This was built in the second to last production run of air-cooled.
Very
It's a
cool.
98.
This is absolutely stunning.
Okay.
We've got an 06 titanium, and now you've motivated me to restore it. I just got to rob a bank to do it. Oh, that's so stunning. A couple people are covered. They're ready for the day. Beautiful Carrera 4 from Texas. And this is a 356. So this is what is called an Outlaw. You can tell by the roll bar. So he's probably in the competition group.
That's a gorgeous color.
Isn't that a gorgeous color? So this is
original color?
I don't know. I'd have to look at the Cardex. But it's a competition car now. You see that gas tank with the center hole? That's a competition gas tank. He's got a roll bar in it. See, he's got the seats out. Beautiful car.
This is an original color.
What's it called?
Slate Grey.
Slate Grey. Oh, beautiful. I love it with the red, too. The red really sets it off. Now, that's a detailed chassis right there. See? You see how mine looks compared to that? Like, it looks like sheet. Beautiful car. Classic 944, 84. These guys have been here all morning, doing well. And this one over here has a crew, but they're out of Virginia. And they're apprentices who are working on the car. Nice bunch of kids. All right, so this is crunch time now. People are showing up, and that's what you're seeing right now. All kinds of detailing tools. Tonight I'll be curious to see how many stay here. I'm going to be done by about 5 o'clock at the latest, and then I've got to be here at 5 a.m. to pull the car out and get it. Yeah. Yep. So you see a 996 turbo just pulled in at an interesting color. Well, 996s get a bad rap, but if you get a turbo, it's the Metzger engine, and that is a very bulletproof engine. This is a stunning 912, 1965. This is a first-year car right here. And nice provenance. He's entered in preservation class, getting a lot of compliments on the car. And it's an honest car.